Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to share with you some outgoing Memorydex cards that I have completed, and I just wanted to share with you what I did before I give them out. So I did this one a while ago, but I'm finally getting around to do a video. I have so many videos, like I keep on saying, to do on projects that I've been doing, but time. But anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and show you. You've seen this one before. I use this AliExpress Memorydex cutting die, and it just has the hearts. And if I can find the link, because it's been so long since I purchased this, I will leave it down below. And then also I know I can't find it here on my messy desk, but okay, so this is I believe, so this was a pocket, and it had this, which I'm going to cut off probably, and there's a button underneath this bow. So you close it like that, but what I'm doing is I'm getting this Memorydex that I made. This is using the Photo Plays Love Letter collection, and you guys remember I made a whole bunch of projects using this paper collection. So this is one of the things that I did make with them, and this is the Memorydex card. And I use all the embellishments that are on in the kit. It has a bunch of these cardstock stickers, and I just added some gold hearts. Very simple, and I just layered them to make it dimensional, as you can see. Super cute, love it. But what I did to package it, and I already took it out, is I just put the bow on here, like I said, and then this is how I'm going to package it. Look at how cute. So, ta-da! And the back is just nothing. I'm going to take this off because I have no use for this. But this is what it looks like. This is my little packaging for this Memorydex card that I made. And again, I will link this down below if I could find it. Got this from Ali. And then the next one, this is also from Ali. This is a purchase that I did about when this first came out, and it's a bag Memorydex card, or not a Memorydex, but as you can see, it comes with all these pieces, but for this next project I only use these 3 pieces here. Sorry for the glare. Now it comes with all these, and I know you guys have probably seen this, but it comes with all these extras, but I did not use these. And this one was super easy to put together. So this is the actual base, the Memorydex card, and then this makes the bag here. This is your bottom part here, and all you have to do is fold this up and then fold these 2 sides in, and then glue the bottom. And then these are the handles. So these are the only pieces of this die that I used. So, and I'm so excited to give it. So cute. Look. Look at this super cute bag Memorydex card that I made. So, here is a glittered rosette behind it. And then this is a sticker that came with one of my Hello Kitty collections that I just found recently. Don't know where I bought it, don't know when I bought it, but it had a bunch of stickers in the collection. So what I did, so it wasn't flimsy, was I just put the sticker on some white cardstock, and then I had to fussy cut it. Hardest thing ever. I hate fussy cutting, but as you can see, the fussy cutting game is not on point. I tried to do the best that I can, but so now it's stuck on the rosette. I added these little flat backs, as you can see, on the bow, and then I added it here. Instead of doing like those brads, I used them here and underneath there. And then I added some sequin hearts, and then this hello. And then I added this seam binding and hold on, the seam binding and ribbon from Hobby Lobby. And just tied it around there. And then in the back, I put my information. And then I added a little sticker there. And there you have it. Super cute, super easy. And then this, I just put some tissue paper in there in a gift, but I'll show you in a second. But once the recipient pulls this out, they can take the gift from there and then keep this tissue paper in there so that it looks like a shopping bag. So she can keep this here. And then inside, wanted to share with you, I made this super cute mirror. I have one of those mirror button maker thingamajiggies that I received last year from my family for Mother's Day. And this was like at the beginning of COVID. Bona made me do it. So I made this really cute mirror here, and I'll show you in a second what it actually looks like, but I don't want to take it out the packaging. So, and then I just added some clear doodads here on the mirror. So she can just take this out, and then she can just pop this in her Memorydex holder, keep this in there. Look at how stinking cute that is. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then I'll show you guys what the mirror actually looks like. I made a few. Okay. That's that. And I'm actually going to put this in a Hello Kitty bag that I found. It's a Ziploc, and I put some sequins in there as well. I got this from, where did I get this from? I got this years ago, this Hello Kitty Ziploc. I can't even remember, but that's what I'm going to package it into. Super cute. But let me show you guys the mirror. The mirror looks like this. I think this is a 3-inch. Oop. Let me see. Nope, this is like a 1.5, 2 inches, 2 inches. So this is one of the mirrors that I made real quick. That's the other side. And then also, this is the other one that I made. Look how stinking cute this is. Sorry for the glare. The glare is horrible. I'm trying to hold it so that you guys don't see the glare, but I did add some of these flat back on the bows as well, just to give it some extra something. So yeah, that is my little project that I did for a swap that I'm doing. So I hope everybody has a fantastic week, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.